Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change artboard style on Freepik Designer. So you can go freepik.com/designer, this website, and then you will get the interface like this. So first of all, you can see this is the landscape mode. This is called artboard or canvas. So if you want to change this landscape mode to portrait, then you can easily do it. So what can you do? First of all, you need to click here the resize. Once you click resize, then you can get here two options. The first option is portrait. It means it's like a uh, it's it's like a portrait mode and landscape mode. So if I click this one, then you can see it's like a portrait mode. You can make it zoom through Ctrl plus, or there are a lot of things. Or if you want to change it like a landscape mode, then you can also do it. So it's really easy. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.